working with Beauty Forever hair today. Okay, so they send you some real goodies. Okay, so first thing you get is some wig caps. You also get a cute little baggie, which comes with a makeup brush, some lashes, another wig cap is in there, a edge wrap, also a branding edge wrap as well, and your wig. All right, so here is the wig. Let me show you the hairline. The hairline does look pre-plucked. It is already in the middle part, so I'll probably just keep it that way because I want to. But yes, so that is the parting. So we have a Auburn wig today. It is beautiful. It is 24 inches body wave, 4x4 closure with 4 combs, adjustable band, and ooh, this is a new technique here. It has like a grip band around the perimeter instead of the adjustable straps that you usually get. And look, it stretches. This is my first one of these. Yes, innovative wigs. Okay, so this looks good. The edges definitely look pre-plucked. They look very, very good. This is gonna be so easy to put in. Oh my gosh, it feels lovely. Ooh, it's thick. Oh my gosh, it's thick. Yes, Beauty Forever. Yes, Beauty Forever. This is my first time working with Beauty Forever, so shout out to them for sponsoring this video. Oh my gosh. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited to put this on. Yes, Auburn. I believe this is a 33B. It feels so freaking good. Okay, so off camera, I'm going to, oh, you know what I also just noticed? That the lace is already cut for me, so I really don't even need to cut it, but because it's straight across, I'll probably go in and like add some ridges or whatever. But yeah, there's no extra lace on here, so it's ready to go. This is a glueless install. Wow. I'm gonna put some foundation on the parting, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna install this baby. Very impressive. Very impressive, I should say. Okay, I'll be right back. I had to put a lip on. I was looking at myself like, there's no lip. Baby, there's no lip. So this is the hair. This is from Beauty Forever Hair. This is a 24-inch body wave Auburn brown 4x4 closure wig. I did curl it myself. I cut a couple layers in the bangs just so I could, you know, give some layers. Give some layers, baby. It's so freaking cute. This hair feels so good. I love the body. Can we just get into the body? Get into the body. I love it. I love it. I love this color. I love this color. They said this isn't like an auburn color, but to me it's giving more like chocolate brown on camera, but in real life it does look more auburn for sure. But either way, it is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love it so much. Highly Highly recommend this wig. The parting is pretty far back. It's pretty far back considering that it's only a 4x4. I really like that. Again, so the 4x4 closure comes from here to here. And I just threw some baby hairs in there and put some concealer, foundation like on the parting. So beautiful. So beautiful. I want to wear this for the rest of the week. I'm keeping this on for the rest of the week. Okay? But yes, I love this freaking hair. I want to thank Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here again. If you're not following me on Instagram, you need to, because I post all my wigs before I post them on YouTube. So if you want to see what the next wig is going to be, follow me on Instagram so you can get notified first, okay? But yes, this is it. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.